Hello and welcome, guys. Today I wanted to show you guys the Dyson V8 Animal. Had this for probably almost 3 years now. Absolutely love this vacuum, use it every single day. And I wanted to show you guys one of my favorite features on this, which is here, the wall mount, which also charges it. You can see right there is where the plug-in goes, and that is the charger, which basically just runs through the backside, run it down, plugs right into the wall. But the way this works, you simply just slide it up in here. You'll hear it click, and then as you can see, it starts charging, right? And then another couple cool features is there's 2 slots for attachments. So the same way you would just connect it to the vacuum itself is exactly how these pop right into the tray there. And so it can sit flush on the wall, hang right there, and just charge when you're not using it. When you're ready to take it off, you just simply push up, pull out, and you can pop it right back out. Now, a few other things I want to point out to you guys. Right here are the 2 settings. You have your just standard and max. You'll be able to noticeably tell a difference. Here's standard. If I crank it up to max, you'll hear the difference in the suction power. And just from the use that I've had with it, what I've noticed, if you run it continuously on standard, I'd say you get about 15, probably closer to 20 minutes before the battery dies. And if you run it on the max setting, I'd say you probably get like 6 to 7 minutes before the battery dies. But honestly, the suction is so good, I very rarely actually run it on max. I just don't have a reason to do it because the standard works just fine for me. And then what's really cool is to empty this out. I have a little trash can down here, but I want to show you guys. All you simply do is pull up on this tab. You can see it pulls up the top with the filter, and the bottom pops out, and then all your garbage and junk falls right back down. If you need to, you can come in the other side, pull off the filter there, and then to close it back up, you simply just push it down, lock the bottom, and you're back good to go. Now, these are all the different attachments that came with it, and honestly, the 2 that I probably use the most are this one here, the long extender, and then the main, I don't know what you call that, like carpet or floor vacuum with like the full tilt swivel. What's really nice is, again, they just like slide and pop in right here. And when you want to take them out, push the button in and slide them out. But again, I usually will pop this one in here, the extender, and then either attach that to get a little more length, or I'll attach the floor vacuum. And that way you can do hard floors, carpet, rugs, whatever it is that you want to do. But there are some other ones that are pretty cool. These are just different shapes, more for like furniture, fabrics, things like this. This is another smaller like carpet or rug vacuum. And then obviously like a little extender hose. And then this is an attachment. So if you have something that's maybe at a funky angle and you can't reach this in there, you can set that up and adjust swivel like 90 degrees and things like that. But overall, comes with a lot of good pieces to it. Now, most of our house inside is hardwood. We do have 2 rooms with carpet, the rest are hardwood floors, but I'm able to use this on every floor you can imagine in the house. And you can see here, I'm gonna use it on the rug and even the garage floor. Now, as I mentioned, we have a lot of hard floors and wood floors just throughout our whole house. And this attachment actually is probably my favorite because we have multiple pets, and usually pet hair and stuff like that kind of builds up here in the corners. And with this little piece here, you can come right in and get it. Same with the stairs. And like even right here, you can see there's some junk down in there. Overall, I absolutely love the Dyson handheld vacuums and the capabilities that you have with it, with all the different attachments and everything like that. It's been years since I've actually had like a traditional, vacuum that you have the cord and plug it into the wall, the big one that you have to lug around and all that. Pull out the hose to be able to use little attachments like this. Since I got the Dyson, years ago, this handheld one. I have used it pretty much every single day, and I don't plan to go back to what I had previously. This thing has been phenomenal, especially if you're like me and you have kids and multiple pets. It's just very quick and easy to pull up off the wall right there, go inside, vacuum up kids' messes, pet hairs, spills, things like that. You can use it on hardwood, you can use it on carpet, you can get nooks and crannies. My wife and I absolutely love this, and we highly recommend it.